water is in. Now, how does it work? It has a water tank here, but in fact it is made of two parts. This is where the water, where you put a new portion of water, and here in this part of the kettle, where you cannot really see, it's not visible, this is where is a boiling compartment. This is where there is a heating element here, and between both of them, between this part and this part here, there is a division with one-way valve. So the water can go only from the top compartment to the boiling compartment. It cannot go back. So when the water boils, then it can only go into the cap. It cannot go back into the water tank. Okay. And then from the boiling compartment here, when the water boils, there is lots of steam that creates pressure here. The valve does not allow this pressure to be relieved into the tank on the top, so it can only go here through the pipe in there. I'm not sure if it's visible, and then it will go into the dispensing compartment, which is this part here, right, into the dispensing compartment, and then obviously it will go into the glass. Now at the bottom of this switch there is a element that reacts to the temperature. So the boiling water and the steam that gets into this dispensing compartment will heat up this element underneath the switch. The switch will deform, will change its shape, and will disengage the switch. The switch will go into off position, and that's how it goes. So the switch is really crucial for the whole device to work properly, and the switch is probably the element that is going to fail on this kettle most frequently. Okay, so let's see how it works once again. So we put it on. You can see the LED is illuminated here, and then this is where the portion of water is being boiled. Now the steam is created, it cannot go anywhere else but here. And here you can see the steam goes from under the switch, and the switch disengaged. It's as simple as that. putting the dispensing jumper together, there are 2 screws here that need to go through and then fix it to the main body. So I just put it enough to just hold 2 things together, 2 parts together, up and lower, and then there are 3 screws in here. So we put this together. It needs to be sort of like nice and sealed. There is a silicone seal inside, so just be sure that it is there. And there's one more seal here, as you can see. This also needs to be nice and tight, and it's worth to clean it and make sure it sits nicely. Okay, so as I said, that needs to be nice, not too tight, but it needs to provide a proper seal here. Here is the stop, the pressure switch, and then inside is this metal piece that is going to switch off. Okay, so that's the clean dispensing chamber. And now we need to clean all of that from the limescale, and also inside in the boiling